Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRIB. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Don't believe I've ever done a video chart on this one before. I know I've written a blog article for it on bullwarriorstocks.com, but as far as videos, don't believe so. But I want to get this one updated. Actually, wanted to get to it yesterday, but just couldn't. But it's been making obviously a very nice move, and now it's just a matter of are we going to see it retest these highs or what's going on? So let's just jump in right here and get started. So the first thing I want to point out is this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. And you can see it's been doing a great job of holding up support right here. It did fall below it right here, and I thought it was probably the end of the road right here, but this move that you saw here is more of the exception and not the rule. Usually this sort of price action does not happen when you start to get closes below the 50-day simple moving average. So good job by the bulls, way to break the trend of what usually happens. So like I said, a nice sign of strength in and of itself right there by being able to not only get back above the 50-day simple moving average, but really start to separate from it. So on that note, the 50-day simple moving average right now, that's valued at 0082. Is the big and key level of support, but given it closed way up there, obviously it's not like it's on the borderline of closing below it like any of these days over here, well above it, so that's always good to see. Another area of support, and this is more of an ideal level of support, meaning if you were to ask me what would be the support level that you'd like to see hold that would make the chart look the strongest, my answer would be right up here at 0.011. Now, because this is ideal, if the price does close below it, by no means should you panic or freak out or anything like that, because you still do, again, have the 50-day simple moving average down here. But if the price could consolidate above here before heading back up, that would make the chart look extremely strong, but by no means is that any sort of requirement or anything like that. In terms of resistance levels, first level of resistance price needs to get above is going to be right here at 0.0126. I realize intraday the price did break above it, but because we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the close was, so I'll leave that line skinny red because with any sort of push upwards, I don't foresee this putting up much of a fight. Then you have where the profit taker stepped in today as a next level of resistance. That's at 0.0144. And then finally way up here, and I'm going to make this line the color of the sky because that would be the blue sky breakout area up there. And that value is at 0.0155. So again, resistances right here, the little small one, 0.0126. Then where the profit taker stepped in today, 0.0144. And then up there at 0.0155, which would be the blue sky breakout. But all in all, good looking chart. Nice to see volume start to get larger than these consolidation days here the past 2 days. So it'll be interesting to see how the chart unfolds the rest of the week. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, but you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charts, or maybe you already use charts and you're just looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click up on that image above. We have multiple instant download courses ranging from everything from beginners up to advanced traders. Like I said, they're all instant downloads, so you can literally get started on them today. In fact, we just released a new course, Trampoline Trading, talking all about how to play bounces and how to find short squeezes before they happen. So I'd encourage you to check that one out. It's already starting to get some good reviews on it. One more time, this is MRIB. Thanks for listening.